Hello, welcome to my final video that I'll be recording in the year 2024. And this video is a test to say that you don't know how to count attacker versus defenders as well as you think you do. To prove me wrong, you'll be shown 5 positions and you're really saying that you can do it confidently. Then you have 5 seconds to answer the question. And if you want to take your time, you can pause the video if you don't want to have stress, but if you really want to challenge yourself and prove it's wrong, then you have 5 seconds to answer the question that's prompted to you in the 5 positions. The first one is easy, but the last one will be really hard as it'll be gradually difficult. So the first example is this one, and the question is, can we take the pawn e5 as white? And it's not possible because 2 attackers are beaten by 2 defenders. So 2 defenders versus 2 attackers, the defenders win out because the defenders take the attackers. Therefore, the defenders win and white loses. So for the second position is this one. Your task is to find the most precise move order of attacking versus defending. So you're attacking the pawn of point of interest is a pawn and f4. So which way do you attack this one and take the things? Which order, move order, which piece takes which way? So we'll have you 5 seconds. And if you answer this one, you got it right. So pawn takes there, knight takes there, bishop takes there to force off the rook to trade this bishop, and then knight takes. This is the maximum advantage for black, and if you get one move order wrong, let's say take the knight in the second move, not the bishop, then you are wrong. And the third position is this one, and it's involving a pin. So how do we continue attacking and winning as black? And if you answer the correct one, it's rook takes f3, queen takes there, bishop takes there, king takes there, but then queen takes the rook. So basically remove the guard of the rook and we win as black. So now the fourth example here is when rook is really difficult. And the question is, can you take this pawn on h5 with the bishop safely? And the answer is, you cannot. Because if rook takes h5, rook takes back, and rook takes back, but then it falls to queen a4 check, queen e8 check, and then we lose the rook, and then black loses. Now the fifth and final example is this one. You have to have a precise move order, and it's white to move and win. And the right way is to do rook takes e7 check, rook takes e7, king f1 only move, queen d1, rook d1. If the queen goes back this way, you can do knight f3, rook e3, it doesn't matter, and white just wins the game. And hopefully you get this one right, all of them right, all 5 examples right. If not, then my statement is true that you don't know attacking versus defending as much as you think you do. And I'll see you in the next one next year. Hey, check this video out to make sure that you get more important information to bring your chess to the next level.